In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Excel files to Google Forms. To start, make sure you have your Excel file ready. This could be a quiz, a survey, a registration sheet, or any set of questions and choices you've already organized in a spreadsheet. Before you do anything else, open the file and quickly review it. Check that your questions are clearly written, and that your options, if you have multiple choice items, are arranged in a way that makes sense, usually with one question per row or per column. Cleaning this up now will save you time later. Next, you'll want to bring that Excel content into Google's environment. If your file is stored on your computer, head over to Google Drive in your browser. Click the New button, choose File Upload, and select your Excel file. Once it has uploaded, open it in Google Sheets. If it doesn't open automatically in Sheets, right-click the file, select Open With, and then choose Google Sheets. This converts it into a format that works smoothly with Google Forms. With your spreadsheet open in Google Sheets, check that everything looks correct after the conversion. Sometimes column widths, line breaks, or special characters may shift a little. Adjust any formatting issues and make sure each question, along with its answer options, is clearly separated, ideally using individual columns for each option. This structure makes it much easier to build a form from the sheet. Now it's time to create your Google form. At the top of your Google Sheets window, click on the Tools menu and look for the option to create a form. When you select this, Google will automatically generate a new Google form that is linked to your spreadsheet. It may pull in column headers as questions or use the first row as a guide, so it's important that your sheet is well organized. Once the form is created, open it in a new tab. Go through each question one by one. You'll probably need to tweak the question types, changing them from short answer to multiple choice, checkboxes, or drop-downs, depending on what you need. Adjust the wording, add descriptions, and mark any required fields. If your Excel file included correct answers for a quiz, you can enable quiz mode in the form settings and assign points and answer keys there. Finally, when you're happy with how everything looks, use the preview option to test your form. Make a few sample submissions to confirm that responses are being recorded correctly back into the linked Google Sheet. When everything checks out, you're ready to share the form link with others and start collecting responses, all based on the Excel file you started with.